This series is all about building my 2022 JL Rubicon. And today I'm going to go over something that is a project that's not going to take all day, and it's going to really upgrade the interior of my Jeep.
Here we go again. So come on over. I wanna feel your breath around my neck.
The outside is a beautiful sting gray, but there's just a lot of red inside, which is fine, but I just want to dial it back a little bit. Now, I love the leather wrapped dash, and I really wanted to somehow take the plastic off the trim panels, and I found a way to do it. By taking the 2020 Gladiator Launch Edition trim panels and seamlessly replacing these plastic ones that are in the 2022 Rubicon. Now, this project doesn't require a lot of tools. Trim kit piece, a Phillips, a 10mm and a 13mm. That's all I'm gonna need to swap out these panels. And we're gonna end up with this. So it's time to roll up my sleeves and get to work. Don't forget to disconnect your battery before you start this project. This was my first go at doing a project like this, and there's a few parts, like the airbag, that absolutely terrify me. So I definitely took help when help was needed. Otherwise, it was easy, it was pretty self-explanatory, and the end result is a much better look. So that's it for the dash trim panel replacement. I've got part numbers and the Mopar website listed in the description of this video. Make sure you like and follow, and keep following us to watch the next episode of the Jeep Build.